What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to swap Ethereum to USDT in Phantom Wallet. Well, in this case, this one is fairly easy. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up your Phantom Wallet. And from here, we have four main features that we can access. We have receive, send, swap, and buy. Since we want to swap here, let's go and choose the swap option. Now, from here, we need to set up a few things. So first is you want to determine what do you want to actually swap here. So since we want to swap from Ethereum to USDT, we want to set the you pay and you receive section. So in the very top, we have you pay section. Now since we want to swap from Ethereum to USDT, you pay should be set to Ethereum. Now you receive should be set to USDT. Now let's go and choose the first one here, the you pay section, and let's go and search for Ethereum. Now, by the way, you need to choose the appropriate chain for this one. So if you want to use the Solana chain, go ahead and use that. Or if you want to use the Polygon chain, go ahead and use that. So in my case, maybe I want to use the Solana chain here. Let's go and select it in here. And in here, we need to set up the you receive section. Now, again, since we want to transfer USDT, let's go and search for it. Let's go and click on search at the very top here. Type in USDT. And from here, you want to select that. Now, by the way, if you're transferring to a different chain, so in this case, I'm transferring the same chain here, which is the Solana chain. If you want to transfer to Ethereum chain here via USDT, just prepared about the fees. So they are going to be bigger than usual, so you might receive only half of it. But again, just be prepared. But yeah, so in this case, let's go ahead and choose USDT here. Let's go ahead and specify the amount that we want to maybe transfer. Let's go ahead and input like 0.00174 as an example and see if it's enough. But in this case, once it's enough, you could go ahead and click on the swap now at the very bottom. But before you do that, make sure to review your price, fees, impact, your price impact, and the slippage. But once you're sure, just click on swap now. And it's going to start the process and might take a few seconds or even a minute for the process to complete. But as you can see, it's now completed. So once we actually go back to our homepage here, you should now see your USDT now in here, which in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.